Pediatric endocrinology encompasses a wide variety of disorders ranging from growth to puberty to thyroid to calcium to electrolytes and glucose disorders. These disorders are commonly encountered in pediatric day-to-day practice and form the important basis of in- and outpatient management. Master Pediatric Endocrinology course covers the wide variety of pediatric endocrinology over 12 different sections and 95 modules covering each and every aspect of pediatric endocrinology. The course comes with the complimentary access to our award-winning MedEClasses Pediatrics mobile application available on both Android and iOS platform, which provides a huge information with regards to approach to clinical disorders, to management, to bone age assessment and growth interpreter, along with a wide variety of resources. There is also exposure to the academic activities of Regency Center for Diabetes Endocrinology and Research, which includes a combination of didactic lectures, case scenarios, as well as journal club discussions. The on-site option comes with a site visit with exposure to a wide variety of pediatric endocrine cases across the spectrum.